was Colaz Smith trip to Thailand, Golden Buddha country, a vacation or a divine mission from God? What if I told you Colaz Smith may not have choose Thailand as a trip, but was sent to Thailand by God? The Golden Buddha isn't just a statue. It was a divine appointment. This trip changed everything. This trip changed how colors think. This trip changed who Colaz Smith really is. This trip changed how Colaz Smith will be moving forward.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? All right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, hope you not feel no pain. And if you feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, and make the doctor come to your house if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We're going to get somebody to come over there and bring it to the doctor. Now, guys, remember, do no wellness check, because mental health crisis is not a joke, and mental health crisis is very serious these days. It's been serious and it's getting serious. Guys, also, oh Jesus, guys, domestic violence is on a rise. We're losing too much women to domestic violence. If you see something, if you know something, say something. If your friends are and our family is going through a domestic violence, try and say something or help. We cannot afford to lose any more women, mothers, sisters, daughters, friends to domestic violence. Also, guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. And I want to send a happy belated birthday to Julian. Yes, man. Julian, one of our content, one of not content, one of our subscribers, one of our viewers, one of a person who always out there supporting content creator. Julian, you know yourself. Big up yourself. Happy birthday to you. And may the good Lord bless you and keep you going. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, when you watch the video them, you know, like the video them, share the video them, comment on the video them. Guys, I'm going to make a video coming up that will explain some things to you guys, but not in this video, next video. Guys, I want to really sit down and have a conversation with you all about talking about Colaz Smith and his trip to Thailand, because when I sit down and I look into that trip to Thailand and I listen to what Colaz is saying, and I put two and two together and I said to myself, this trip is a different trip. This trip feels different. This trip looks different to Colaz Smith and what I see Colaz Smith did. But guys, I sit down and I said, did Colaz Smith get a calling to go to Thailand, the home, the land of the Golden Buddha? Thailand is a country is a Buddha country. That's where Buddha was found. Thailand is a strong spiritual country. Many people don't know that. So when Colaz Smith find himself in Thailand, it tells me a lot of things. And one of the reason why it tells me a lot about Colaz Smith trip was that Colaz make 2 videos, and those 2 videos that he make was very passionate. What I get from those videos was that Colaz Smith is changing his movement. Colaz Smith is cleaning his heart, his mind, his conscience, and he's wiping a clean slate. That's what I get from those 2 videos that I see Colaz Smith make. The first video was the one that he was talking about. He's bigging up the people who is making videos about him and all those kind of things. And he also take a time out to say to the people who is bashing him. He said a few things. He said they're bashing him, but that's their way of making their income. Within that same video, Colaz Smith used the word YouTube can change your life. So right there, Colaz Smith was talking to us as a content creator and as people, because he see what YouTube have done for him. Remember that you all see what YouTube have done for Colaz Smith. But that trip was a significant different changes towards what Colaz Smith believe in, what Colaz Smith want to achieve. That's what I see within that video, those videos that he make. Well, when I sit down and I analyze the whole issue, I look at the issue and I ask myself the question: did Colaz Smith use his platform by telling us that there is something out there for all of us without saying it? Yes, Colaz Smith did when he said YouTube can change your life. Now, guys, I really want to say this. In this powerful video, we break down the spiritual sign, the spiritual aspect of why I think Colaz was sent to Thailand. In other words, to pure his heart from all the bad elements that is around him. And for some reason, Colaz Smith call that he get was to come out and say to Daddy Gargan, I love you, I care about you, and I want good for you. That's my belief. And I think Colaz Smith did a very tremendous, a very decent, a very good job in whatsoever that trip, that divine trip, that divine mission that he went on, taught him to do. Remember, he says 2026 is a different person. When did he say that? When he went to Thailand. He did not say it before he went to Thailand. He went to Thailand and then he said it in his video. Now, my viewers and subscribers, if you believe God still send people an assignment today, write it in the comment down below. If you still believe God sending people an assignment, because I believe that this trip, this divine mission was an assignment. Yes, I believe it was an assignment. Why I believe it was an assignment is because when I see Colaz Smith make those videos, you know the song say, clean up your heart and come. Yes, I believe that trip, that mission was a divine mission to clean that slate, to wipe that slate clean. And come realize what Colaz did. After those 2 videos, and he went on a live and talk his truth and say what he means. 2 days after that, is it 2 or 3 days after that, Colaz Smith was heading back to Jamaica. He could have waited until he reached Jamaica before and make that video. He did not. He made that video in Thailand. Now, guys, one of the reasons why I'm making this video, this specific video, to show and to talk about that divine mission that Colaz Smith went on, is that when I listen to Colaz Smith, when I watch what I see Colaz Smith is doing, I said to myself, why cannot content creators, other people out there, try to see if this is the road that they can go down and try to live? You don't have to live like how Colaz Smith is living, but at least you can take something from out of the book that Colaz Smith is writing, because he's writing a book, but he's not using any pen and paper. He is writing it on the YouTube street. Guys, I'm not going to come out and make a whole bunch of videos about Colaz Smith. I think this video that I make, this one I'm making right here now, is just a video that I feel that I have to make. Now you see Colaz Smith come from Thailand. And what do you see happening from he come back from Thailand? He will be traveling to the United States of America to be in shows, and tickets start to sell out, because Colaz Smith is going to be in New York, Fish Fry, in New York Caribbean Jerk Fest. That is what we are. I'm putting myself in it. That is what we all should be trying to see if we can be in that same situation like what Colaz Smith is in. Instead of going out there making stupid videos day up, day up, day up, day in, day out. It's now time. Colaz Smith has paved the way for many of us. I'm using my name again. I'm using me as a part of it too. Colaz Smith has paved the way for a lot of people to learn to see that YouTube can really change change your, change she, change him life. Why not take it and run with it? Why not take it and use it? And another thing that I saw, and I want to talk to Colaz Smith about this. Colaz, if you're watching this video, my brother, I hope you are watching this video. I saw you rent out your concrete mixer. I saw it. And I go tell you something, Colaz. When me see it, me say, bam, one more business that's another business. I don't know if you want to go into those kind of rental business, or if you want to start a rental business, or if you want to do those kind of business. I don't know. But I'm just a person where if I see something, I start thinking business. If you have the money and can buy the equipment and start renting equipment to rent those kind of things, you own them, you rent them, that's another business, my friend. Yes, Colaz Smith, that is another business to mixer, backhoe, those kind of things. If you can think within yourself, if you feel that is something that you want to do, that is another business to rent backhoe, to rent mixers. That's a good business. You're on the right path. So, guys, viewers, and subscribers, listen to what Rodney is saying here. Colaz went on a divine mission to Thailand, the place, the home of the Golden Buddha, and come back clean. Look, hold on. This is one of the other reasons why I'm telling you that it was a divine mission. When Colaz come back, what these Colaz do? Link up with Knife Ninja and they start to do the food again. Hold on. Don't you all see where that divine mission is working? He come back and he link up with, I don't know if they, to be honest with you, I don't know if they were apart, but they link up back on videos and you see them giving those people the food again. So it's back with that same feeding of the homeless in Kingston. Tell me, say that divine mission didn't do what it was supposed to do. Also, everybody, you all see Colaz on a video with his family in the countryside. Tell me that divine mission that Colaz Smith went on didn't do what it's supposed to do. That divine, there was one other thing. I think I left one other thing out. But guys, as you see, it's a divine mission. It's a mission. That trip wasn't just a solo vacation. It was a mission. A divine mission sent by God, sending Colaz Smith to the home and the place of the Golden Buddha. It may look simple, but I'm telling you, it was a mission. It's not a normal trips like everybody thinks. It was a divine mission. God sent him. God sent him there. I'm telling you, God sent him there. And Colaz must know what he feels when he was in Thailand. He knew what he felt when he was in Thailand. He knows. Just look at him. Take a good look at him and realize there's a cleanness in his face. All that tired look is gone. There's a clean slate you're looking at. A new brand Colaz Smith. Why not most of us sit down and look in the direction and say, you know what? We all can make videos about Colaz Smith and benefit from it. We don't have to go dirty. We don't have to go nasty. We all can make videos about Colaz Smith and make money and live happy. It can be done. It can be done. Also, listen. Within that same video, I forgot this part. Within that same video, that Colaz Smith was saying big up to all the people who is calling, making video about him, and even who was making video bad about him. In that same video, he went and said, to ground God, don't listen them. Close your ears, zone them out, and just live your life for your kids then. Because people change. That's what Colaz Smith said to Daddy Gaga. Yeah, sorry, not Daddy Gaga, to ground God. That's what Colaz Smith said to ground God. Many people would think Colaz wouldn't do that, but see, I'm telling you, that trip wasn't a trip, it was a mission. It was an assignment sent by God. Yeah. You all believe what I'm saying? Huh? You all believe what I'm saying? If you all believe what I'm saying, write down in the comment section, say, I believe. Yes, man. To all of the people out there, where lover of Colaz, where follow Colaz Smith, big up on yourself, and Colaz, go and do your thing. Go and enjoy your life. Enjoy your family. It's a good look. Go and do your thing. Project X look good. Guy, you have it planned out and it's working in your favor. Yes, it's an incredible message behind your journey. Yes. Yeah, man, there's an incredible message behind your journey. And me see it, me I watch it. Go and do your thing. And my viewers and subscribers, listen what me I say. Watch the video them. Support the content creators, because you see like how people support Colaz Smith. All content creators who you believe in, listen me good, who you believe in and you believe that they're clean, you believe that they should go, support them. It could be me, it could be him, it could be she. If they are a good content creator, support them. Help them to go to the next level. Help them to strive. Yeah, man. Always help them, the viewers and subscribers. But I am continuously saying this, and I'm letting you all know. Colaz's trip to Thailand was God sent. God sent him there on a mission and an assignment. Since he come back, all you realize is going on is flourishment. He will be flying there, he will be flying there, and I'm telling you, more coming, more invitation coming for him to be all over the world. Many of you would love to do what Colaz Smith is doing. And to be honest, you can do it. But the only way you can do it is if you put the work in. You can do it if you really try, but you must try. Try and try. That's the only way you're going to do it. You have to keep doing, try, keep pushing, try, keep pushing, try, keep doing, try, keep pushing, try. And you will make it. My viewers and subscribers, with that said, on the behalf of me, myself, and I, and the Real Talk Massive, big up on yourself. To the Real Talk Massive, enough respect to all of the massive out there. All of the massive out there. Big up on yourself, enough respect. And guys, please me I beg you, thumbs up the video them, like, share, and comment on the video. Until the next video, I'm out. Bye-bye.